Let's tell you that this morning the United Nations unveiled a US $2 billion humanitarian six-point action plan to support developing countries that are combating the deadly COVID-19 virus.
With some 375,498 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and more than 16,000 deaths around the world, the United Nations on Wednesday morning said it is gravely concerned about the impact the pandemic is having on poor countries that have weak health systems and vulnerable populations. In its No One Left Behind approach, the United Nations reported the launch of US $2 billion action plan to help those poor countries. Secretary General Antonio Guterres said the interagency plan brings together the World Health Organization and the UN partners.
Properly funded, it will save many lives and arm humanitarian agencies and NGOs with laboratory supplies for testing and with medical equipment to treat the sick while protecting healthcare workers. The plan also includes additional measures to support host communities that continue to generously open their homes and towns to refugees and displaced persons.
With only a small number of such countries so far reporting cases of COVID-19, the UN said it expects the numbers to rise. According to the Secretary General, these are countries that are already facing humanitarian crisis. Director General of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, said now is the time for solidarity in the face of the global threat.
As you know, the pandemic has accelerated over the last 2 weeks. And while COVID-19 is a threat to people everywhere, what's most important, most worrying is the danger the virus poses to people already affected by crisis. People and communities that are already uprooted due to conflict, displacement, the climate crisis, or other disease outbreaks are the ones we must urgently prioritize.
The UN Secretary General said the intergovernmental organization is doing its utmost to plan and respond to early recovery in countries around the world that will need the most help. For InfoHub, I am Kellon Rover.